Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. Basically, I'm going to show you how to take the series of pictures on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap here, go to its settings, then find here shutter sound, press and hold shutter button and select burst shot. And now when you press and hold shutter button, it will take several shots. Took 15, as you can see, and here they are, all of these camera shots. They are all dark, unfortunately, but there's a lot of them here. So like dark shots, but it's 15 shots here. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.